saree I'm giving to my bridesmaid. And the elder sister Lizzie bag banasa, which is cute. And यो चाहिँ अस्ति किनेको earrings. अनि यो बक्सामा जान्छ. यहाँ भित्र अझै स्टफर छ, face mask. Keyringहरु. यस्तो keyring. Gold clip. Chocolates. Hand cream. मम्मीले नि हेल्प गरेछ. अब यो बोर्डको त फुट्छ के. हामी चाहिँ यस्तो गलो 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 गर्दैछ. मम्मीले गलो गलो गलो. वाउ.
लु अब तेरो खानु.
मेरो
पञ्जङ्गलको हरारीमा हाम्रो यो पञ्जङ्गल समुदायको पछाडि गयो. Okay, so Indiana.
ले जा भाइ.
यो 30 भयो. अनि यहाँ 20 पुग्छ पुग्दैन. 1 2 3.
Hi guys. It's ready. मेरो साथीहरु आइपुग्यो. Yeah! Hello. टिस्युहरु तिनीहरुको लागि रुच्छ कि भनेर. Who's this guy? Cheers to Bridesmaid.
गर्नुको लागि
Hi guys, so little update. I am packing some stuff before my wedding, and today is 11th of April. And I bought some few stuff and I am packing in my suitcase to take my new home. And yeah, so I bought some of the things, and I've got my Hello Kitty suitcase as well. यो मा चाहिँ मैले सामानहरु अलिअलि राखेको थियो. It's like I have some bunch of stuff here already. Got this from ASOS. And यो चाहिँ deal जस्तोमा थियो. I've got like master patches, some face mask, and your oil, eye cream that I'm gonna share with my husband. And goes Rasco little tiny serum, and Laneige goes in water bank. So I'm gonna use this on my mini honeymoon slash getaway. It's not a real honeymoon, but yeah, that's our getaway in England before we head off to somewhere else, somewhere nice. We haven't decided yet, so let's see what country we will go to. Enjoying my cup of tea. It's a bridal trial, Malacha. Let's see how it goes after this. So catch you guys later. मेरो चाहिँ makeup look भयो, अनि this is how it looks. यो चाहिँ मेरो घुम्टो, अनि यसरी निकाल्ने बेलामा चाहिँ hopefully यस्तो गर्छु कि I don't know, यस्तो गर्छु कि like यता खिप लाएर puff गरेर यस्तो गर्छु, I don't know. So त्यसो embark गर्ने बेलामा, but this is how it looks. Before and after म कस्तो देख्यो भन्नु guys. गला मोटाएर चाहिँ अलि गोलुमोलु भएको छ, तर it's fine. अनि मेरो सिस्टरले गरिदिएको यो चाहिँ. Hi guys, today is April the 15th and today is my last day work. 5 दिन मात्र बाँकी छ. So I don't know, like कस्तो फिल गरिरहेको छु भने एकदम के गरेन भएको जस्तो पर्छ, किनभने me and my sister is the only one to do this wedding preparation and त्यो बोल्नेहरू सबै contact गर्ने उता empire हलको लागि. So yeah, my bagel just toast भइरहेको छ. Let me get that. I want to document my wedding series. त्यही भएर मैले चाहिँ as a like, why not vlog, having a mixed feeling. Just like it came too soon, even though we were like planning from since quite long now. म चाहिँ excited पनि भएको, nervous पनि भएको, all sorts of feelings, emotionally भएको, किनभने I have to leave the house, like literally, like केटीहरू बिहे गरेपछि home won't be home, like I have to manage 2 families. त्यही भएर it's a huge like step for me to take. This is a nail appointment, so I'm gonna vlog that as one. After work चाहिँ म जाँदैछु nails बनाउन. I haven't decided what nails I'm gonna make yet. And Monday is a Friday, so Let's see how it goes. मैले चाहिँ अलिअलि गरेर क्लिपहरू खिचेछु तर मैले कहिले अपलोड गर्छु थाहा छैन but for my future Regina, I just want to say you did it. I just did my nails and this is how it looks. Oh my god, so pretty.